हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। क्या आप अपनी बेली फैट को कम या जड़ से खत्म करना चाहते हैं? तो ये सुपर इफेक्टिव हाईली इंटेंसिव एब्स वर्कआउट आपके लिए। मैं आज इसमें आपको 10 एक्सरसाइजेस दिखाऊंगी जो आपके अपर, लोअर, साइड एब्डोमिनल्स पूरे मिड सेक्शन को टारगेट करेगा। अगर आपने इस वर्कआउट को अगले 7 दिन तक रेगुलरली किया तो मैं दावा करती हूँ कि आपको आपके डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट्स दिखेंगे। तो फिर देर किस बात की है, चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
First up, we will start with standing ab crunches. Put your hands behind your head, bringing your knee closer to the opposite elbow and continue alternating the sides. If you are ready to push yourself, then make it faster paced, almost like you're making small hops. Keep at it. Let's keep moving. For the next one, we will lie down on the floor for ab crunches. Again, your hands behind your head and your knee folded. Feet hip distance apart. And bring your chest up. Do not fold in. If you do that, you're not really working on those abs that you're trying to target. Secondly, it may hurt your neck. So no matter how small the move is, try to do it the right way and push your chest up with every move and you will feel the upper abdomen working. For the next one, we will come back up again on our feet and get ready for high knees. Bring your knee high and pick up the pace for the lower impact. You can opt to march in place. You can take it a notch up or down at any time you want. You can regulate your speed as you need. Nice and light on your feet and feel the full body in action. And with that, we have come to our fourth move, 3 points high plank. Come into the base position of high plank and drive your knee towards your elbow, then the opposite elbow, then back to the same side elbow and to your base position. Press on the ground with your palm open, abs tight, maintaining the balance. Nice work. Stay with me. How are we looking out there? Is your core on fire? I'm definitely feeling it. With that, we are on to our next move, reverse crunches. Come lie down on your back and get ready for reverse crunches. Do not try and bring your feet towards your body. If you really want to challenge, you have got to push the leg towards the ceiling. Now this really is working those stubborn fat in your lower abdomen. Keep moving, keep rising, keep up the great work. Okay, for the next one, we need to come on the side plank. For beginners, you can rest your knee on the floor. To scale it up, you can go on a high plank position. But if you're really feeling it, then come on down to elbow plank position and move your hip up and down from here. Finishing up here in 3, 2, 1 and done. Let's move on to the other side. Come on to side elbow plank position and let's do the hip dips. We are going to be 70% done post this exercise. Nice work out there. Keep pushing. Alright, with that out of the way, we have reached to single leg raises next. For a low impact, you can start at legs raised at 90 degrees and lowering your legs one by one. But if you want to scale it up, keep your legs right above the floor, raise your legs up to 90 degrees one by one, alternating left to right and right to left. Keep your abs tight and keep breathing in and out and focus on the movement. Stay with me. We will be soon out of this move to our next one, plank hip dips. Next one, plank hip dips. If this is hard for you, then you can do these dips in a high plank position as well, working on your obliques, defining them, and melting fat all at once. Let's keep going. And finally, the last exercise, mountain climbers. Come on up in a high plank position. And pull your knees to your chest, and you can hop, almost run, and maintain this momentum, but you can improvise and march it to make it low impact. Come on, just stay with me here. Just a few more moments to go. And we will be done in a few seconds here. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You've made it. Your core is stronger and your abs are on fire. Take a deep breath and celebrate your hard work. Keep pushing yourself and see the results. Until next time, take care.